Okay.
Start. Good morning, sir, ma'am. I'm Ele Marina Dua, 42 years old, and I'm married. I have 7 children, 6 boys and 1 girl. I am the second eldest in our family. I graduate 2 years course. I am a Catholic religious. I have working experience in Hong Kong last 1995 to 1996, and also in Bahrain and finished contract, 2 years contract in my previous employer. My my work experience is cleaning the house, take care also the children, tutoring, cooking, washing the clothes. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my children. Now is in need for schooling. Sir, Madam, if you choose me as one of your maids, I will do my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own. I promise to finish my 2 years course contract in your family. Hope to see you soon, sir, in Hong Kong.